Welcome to Sister Cousin Lifestyle Channel. It is Sandy here and it's almost spring. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm going to be starting with a little bit of light cleaning and a little spring refresh in my office/craft room. Now this is part of an open collaboration. It's hosted by the Glam Elegant Living Society, and this is a seasonal challenge. This is the spring edition, and all they've asked us to do is to decorate elegantly for spring or Easter. Now you will see that my style of decor is kind of a rustic glam style, but that's what I'll be sharing today. Now, the hosts of this collab are Really Good Living, Petalisbless, iSTYLEMYSTYLE, Decorating Aunt's Place, and DIY Design by CCW. So be sure to go over to the host and co-host channel. Be sure to check out the playlist that's going to be in my description box so that you can check out all of the lovely creations that they're going to be sharing as a part of this collaboration. I know that you're going to enjoy it, and I really would like to thank them for hosting this challenge. Now, let me stop chatting and let you watch me complete my decorations. I hope you enjoy. I appreciate you stopping by today, and I hope that you enjoyed this little mini decorate with me. And if you did, don't leave today without hitting that like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my family, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.